Zombie apocalypse.
Hi guys! Plastics. What are plastics? Plastics are a group of materials, either synthetic or natural occurring, that may be shaped when soft and then hardened to retain the given shape. Plastics are polymers. From what are plastics made up of? Plastics are made from natural materials such as cellulose, coal, natural gas, salt and crude oil through a polymerization or polycondensation process. What are the types of plastics? The types of plastics are polyethylene terephthalate, high density polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, low density polyethylene, polypropylene, styrofoam and others. Most of the plastics are recyclable instead of some plastics like styrofoam and bubble wraps. What are the advantages of plastic? Extreme flexibility and ability to be personalized to meet specific technical needs. Lighter weight than competing materials reduces fuel consumption during transportation. Good safety and hygiene properties for food packaging. Durability and longevity. Resistance to chemical, water and impact. Excellent thermal and electrical insulation properties. Comparatively lesser production cost. Unique ability to combine with other materials like aluminum foil, paper, adhesive. What are the disadvantages of plastics? Plastic production involves harmful chemicals which show their impact on human health. Most plastics are non-biodegradable and take long time to break down after landfill. Some plastics are highly flammable, making them fire hazard. Plastics release harmful greenhouse gases equivalent to 850 million tons annually, which causes global warming. Can we use plastics? We can use plastics. There is nothing wrong in using unless you are using it too much. Plastics are useful as long as you use it in right manner. Why do we need to reduce plastic waste? Recycling plastic not only requires large amounts of energy but also uses large quantities of water. While getting rid of plastic waste is the primary environmental problem, the production process is a leading cause of carbon emission contribution to global warming. How to reduce usage of plastics? Avoid single-use plastics such as drinking straws. If you go shopping, remember to take a cloth bag. Buy more bulk food and fewer packaged products. Replace plastic for a glass or steel containers. Make those around you aware of importance of reducing the consumption of plastic. Put your plastic waste in the correct recycling bin. Choose to reuse and give some of the packaging a new purpose. Are there any alternatives of plastic? Yes, there are many alternatives of plastics. Here are some of them. Starch-based blends, cellulose-based plastics, bio-based bioplastics. Finally, we can conclude that plastics are useful until we use it in right way, but they are harmful if we use it excessively. Thank you. Like, share, comment and subscribe.